Welcome to our Christmas Odd One Out Challenge. Can you spot the odd one out in time? Get ready for 4 magical levels. Let's begin, and good luck Christmas detectives.
Ho, 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 ho!
Snowflake level. Can you spot the odd one out? You found it! Which picture doesn't belong here? There he is. Find the different one. This little snowman looks different. Gift pause. Choose your Christmas gift. Which one will you pick? What did you get? Are you happy with your gift? Next challenge. Spot the odd one out. This little kitty has a different color hat. Something here looks a little different. Yes, that's right. It's the little sitting bear. Ready for the next one? One of them is not like the others. Can you find it? Snowflake level complete. Warm-up finished. Snowball level. Now it gets a little trickier. Find the odd one out. Oh no! Where are the reindeer antlers? Look closely. Which one breaks the pattern? That was a tough one. Santa's break. Which Santa is the funniest? Pick the funny Santa. Okay, next challenge. Find the odd one out. Why is there a Santa cat among a bunch of Santa bears? Round 10. Find the odd present. There it is. Which one is different? Look closely. Did you spot it? Time to focus. Can you spot the different Santa here? Where is his belt? Great job so far. See if you can solve this one. Why is there a blank letter? Let's roll to the next challenge. Snowman level. Things are getting difficult. Can you find the odd one out? That was a tough one. Find the odd gingerbread man. Yes, he doesn't have a bow tie. Jingle break. Choose your Christmas cookie. Which one is the most delicious? Next challenge. Only sharp eyes will spot the difference here. That one was hiding well. This one is sneaky. Can you find the picture that doesn't match? There it is. Did you get it right? Which one is different? Look closely. Did you get it right? Let's see how you do on the next one. One of them is different. Can you spot it? Found it? Great, the next one is coming up. Blizzard level. The ultimate challenge. Can you spot the odd one out? Wow, that was seriously tough. Only the best players solve this level. Are you one of them? Found it? The next one is coming up. This one is super tough. Look closely and take your time. That was a tough one. Break time. Spot 3 differences. Did you find it? Let's go to the next round. Find the odd one out. It wasn't easy. Time to focus. Can you spot the different picture here? There it is. Did you get it right? Look super carefully. The difference is tiny. It was very difficult. Did you notice the difference? Go ahead, Christmas detective. Find the difference. There it is. Did you get it right? Great job. You've made it through all 4 Christmas levels, from Snowflake to Blizzard. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell for more fun challenges.